Hey everyone, we're looking at Bungle Limited. This is on a weekly. I'm going to move it over so you can kind of see the long term. Okay, and you can see that in the past it was a lot higher here, up into the 140 range. Went through a pretty decent correction down into the 20s. And it tried to recover a little bit, and it did. It continues to try to go into this. It kind of even looks like it's in a channel formation, but we're starting to see some shifting here. You could see some divergence here in the front prior range as it started to move higher. You could see the failed swing higher here, and then a pretty aggressive move taking out a lot of these prior lows. This is why I think this is probably a very good short. We could see it really taking out some of these important ranges, and here is the 100-day moving average. You could see it testing this on the weekly. Now this is the weekly range. You could see it goes up to 80, and then we see a pretty good swing down. Now this is our first swing from 95 down to 68, so pretty big swing. And then we see the normal bounce back. It comes into the prior pivot low there, and then we see it hold that. So this is one that I think if it makes it, anything makes sense to try to get positioned for, this would be it. I think we could see deeper move maybe into the 55 or lower range. And you could see it's had a pretty long history of running sideways here. And now we see prices really even under the prior pivot high here. So when you kind of look at it in this regard, you're very, very close. You see prices very, very close to that and starting to break through. So that to me is showing some indicator that a major change in trend has taken place, and very likely this on the longer term can go probably back down lower into the 30s or 40s. So we're going to get short.